Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to another episode. So, very interesting story in the Wall Street Journal about a startup that's really helping drive the AI revolution. Tiny company is big winner in AI boom. Back in 2017, these guys who were commodity traders, meaning they traded natural gas and other stuff, purchased their first GPU. All of a sudden, it went from a GPU to a bunch of GPUs to the pool table being covered in GPUs, said Michael Intrater, the CEO. He walked into work one morning that summer back in 2017 after the air conditioning had been turned off for the weekend, only to find that the servers running their growing collection of GPUs in their Wall Street office made it feel like a sauna. The company soon became a company with tens of thousands of GPUs. They were mining Ethereum. Its office suite in New Jersey suburbs now is the global headquarters for one of the biggest winners of the AI boom. Few companies have seen their value change as much in the past year as CoreWeave, that's the name of the company, a specialized cloud provider offering access to GPUs. CoreWeave sells time and space on supercomputers to clients in desperate need of the power needed to run AI algorithms. CoreWeave has quickly and improbably become one of the largest GPU providers and leaders in the arms race for AI infrastructure. It has raised more than $400 million in equity and secured another $2.3 billion in debt financing. We'll talk about where they got that debt financing in the very next episode. Now it's racing to keep pace with the fastest software adoption curve in history. This is exponential, folks. What we're doing right now is building the electricity grid for the AI market, said Brannon McBee, CoreWeave's chief strategy officer. If this stuff doesn't get built, then AI will not be able to scale. GPUs that can be used for AI became the world's most valuable asset this year in 2023. The market for this scarce resource is controlled by nvidia. Now check this out. This is mind-blowing. NVIDIA's gain in stock market value in 2023 alone is greater than the market capitalization total of almost any other American company. So their gain in value is greater than the total value of almost any company on the stock market. Stunning. But the supply of AI chips isn't nearly enough to meet the world's demand. So you're seeing a whole new crop of GPU specialized cloud service providers, said Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO. CoreWeave's rivals in AI infrastructure operations include major cloud providers like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. He says AI presents challenges that legacy cloud platforms were not designed to handle. This kind of radical transformation in any business can turn the playing field upside down and give upstarts like CoreWeave an edge over incumbents. The company's executives say they offer customized systems and a wider range of chips and more configurations than servers equipped for general purpose computing. So really, we're talking about an entire new cloud infrastructure, totally separate from the regular cloud infrastructure that the majority of companies use today. So the CoreWeave folks said it very much started as, how do I make an extra $1,000 so that I can pay my mortgage? But keep in mind that these were investment bankers, traders to be exact. So they became fascinated with crypto. They could buy a GPU on Monday back in 2017, and it would pay for itself by Thursday. So they kept buying. Now keep in mind, these things are $10,000 a pop. So they were making more than 10 grand of Ethereum mining in 3 days. Soon they turned a side hustle into a proper business. When crypto prices crashed back to earth in 2018 and 2019, they diversified into other less volatile fields that needed lots of GPU computing. They focused on 3 markets where they could fill a void: media and entertainment, that's streaming video; life sciences, heavy R&D for new drugs; and yes, AI. But even CoreWeave's own executives admit they couldn't have predicted the intensity of AI fervor to come. CoreWeave has upgraded from consumer GPUs in a sweltering office to enterprise GPUs in sprawling data centers around the country. Last summer, right around the release of popular AI image generators like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, CoreWeave's executives invested heavily in NVIDIA's latest and fastest H100 chips. Only when ChatGPT dropped last fall did they realize they hadn't invested nearly enough. Even if AI really is the next big thing, smaller players could get wiped out. A $1 trillion company can afford to wait and dominate later. CoreWeave's founders no longer have to worry about locating the next fire extinguisher like they did in their original office. Now they're trying not to get trampled by the giants in industry. So a few great things to boil down here. First, exponential, AI exponential. In just over a year, release of Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, release of ChatGPT, release of GPT-4. This is stunning, unprecedented in the history of technology, software specifically. And the other thing is, where are these guys getting the money to do all this? Sure, they were investment bankers, so they had money. Let's not kid ourselves. But they're being funded. Next time, we tell you who that is. Take care. Please subscribe, like, and share. We're almost to 1,000. We're at 930. Please support us. We appreciate your help. Take care. Bye.